Hey, what's up, y'all? I know it's late. Just wanted to do a quick update or recap on Facebook for today and projections for tomorrow, right? So right now, Facebook actually closed at a new all-time high today at 339.9. It took out yesterday's high, obviously, and it never retested yesterday's low. That was big, right? So if you're thinking about playing Facebook and you aren't already in Facebook, Facebook needs to break 339.9 tomorrow, specifically 339.92 tomorrow, in order for you to, to go long. So to buy calls, you want Facebook to break above that price before you enter and stabilize as a new support, right? To the short side, to the downside, hopefully you don't need this at all, but you would want Facebook to break below 335.03 for you to buy puts or bet against Facebook, right? Facebook looks really good. This is the daily chart right here. Yeah, really, really good, man. It even broke out of the high for last week and everything. But yeah, it looks good. It's bullish on the weekly chart also. Facebook is bullish on the monthly chart. Now you need I like time frame continuity, very important, right? Look at MACD. I like MACD. It's just really everything about this chart is bullish, and I have 16 contracts, so I'm bullish. Be careful if you're playing tomorrow, because again, I didn't just get in these trades. I didn't get in all of these trades today. I had a few of them already. It's one thing to know how to buy options contracts or how to buy stock, buy or trade a stock, but you have to know when to get in and when to get out. And it's just very important. It's just like chess, just knowing how the pieces move is not enough. You got to know exactly, you got to have a strategy. So it's not really so much where you enter. It's when you enter. Well, it is where you enter. Time is everything. Timing is everything in this. But yeah, and also time frame, whatever time frame you're playing, your play has to be, in confluence with your time frame. So if you're playing a monthly setup and you're expecting for it to pop in a day, I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to go too far on this. I'm going to switch over to Square's chart real quick. Now, hold on real quick. Before I switch over, I'm going to go back to the daily. The next price target, if Facebook does break above 339, next price target is 41. The next price target after that is 45, 340. So 341 and 345, right? That's if it breaks above 339. If Facebook breaks below 335, then the first price target would be 330 and the next one would be 328. Hopefully we don't have to deal with that though. All right, cool. Moving on to Square. That's what I be doing all night, man. I be going through like 80 charts. But yeah, so Square, man, I love Square. Square is really, me and Square, we've been through a lot. I was in the gym shooting with Square. You feel me? So, all right. So for Square, Square had a good day today. Square broke yesterday's high, and the high of the day was 233.2. The low of the day was 226. So Square didn't retest yesterday's low, which was great. But if you're thinking about playing Square and you aren't in Square, Square needs to break above 233.2 in order for you to buy calls. The next price target for Square is 241. Let me just confirm that. Hold on one second. Just want to see something. I said that, but might be something else in there. 241. Just want to make sure nothing else is there. Yeah, 238. You got 238 also, but I'm just going to say 241 based off the way Square moved. But let's just put that 238 in there just to be on the safe side, to be accurate. Put that 230, that 239 or 238. Let's put that 238 up in there. 238.5. So Square got a few price targets. 238 point. Put that in there. Hold on. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So yeah, so those are the price targets for Square to the upside. If Square breaks below 226, then the next price target is 219. And you know what? I'm gonna give it a 219. Let's say 219, but you might actually get to 222.7 because that's the weekly so let's see if I think the next price target for Square, if it breaks below on the put side, would be 219 though, and then 217 from there. I don't want to overthink this. All right, so yeah, again, uh time frame continuity is very important. I'm liking the way MACD is looking on here. I don't use a lot of indicators anymore. Maybe when training I do it, but I don't have, notice I really don't have any indicators on here but MACD. And that's just for momentum, but I got volume on here, but yeah, I don't need indicators, man. I just like to go off of price action. But yeah, so on the weekly, Square is looking bullish on the weekly. On the monthly, I'm liking what I'm seeing from Square. Square is a fintech company. If you use Cash App, then you support Square. So it's nothing. You might as well just buy the stock, man. Banks are dead. Banks will be dying, man. Everybody's moving over to fintech. So, but yeah, enough of that. Happy trading. If you have any questions, leave them below the video. I rarely check my DMs. I got too many of them. And plus, if it's a question about a stock or something, I'd rather you ask it publicly on the post because other people probably have the same question. Peace.